All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into the fascinating world of Tesla coils and their uses. Tesla coils, invented by Nikola Tesla in the late 1800s, are devices that generate high voltage electricity and produce dramatic electrical arcs. While you won't find them in your Tesla vehicle, they play a key role in the history of electricity and science. Today, Tesla coils are primarily used in three main areas. 1. Education and demonstration. Tesla coils are a popular tool for teaching about electricity, magnetism, and resonance. Science museums and classrooms use them to demonstrate high voltage electricity in action, creating those iconic lightning like arcs. 2. Entertainment. If you've seen musical lightning shows or high energy performances at theme parks or events, those arcs of electricity were likely created using Tesla coils. They're often synchronized with music for a stunning visual and auditory experience. 3. Research. While their practical applications are limited compared to modern technologies, Tesla coils are still used in experiments involving high-frequency electricity. They've contributed to advancements in wireless power transmission and the study of electrical phenomena. Although Tesla coils are less common in everyday life now, they remain an iconic symbol of innovation and the pursuit of scientific breakthroughs. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.